Welcome! Today's video is about painting brake calipers. I know that this isn't a professional job. I've learned so much since then, but enjoy and I hope you would like it. First thing we need to do is to take off the wheel. So the socket 21 millimeters. I have an impact wrench. Here we have our caliper, brake caliper, the rotor, and we must to take off the caliper. So first thing is to loosen at least one bolt of the top, one bolt on the bottom of the caliper, and we need to take off this brake line. So we're going to block it for brake fluid not to fall down on the floor. And I don't know if I will show you just right. This screw is holding line to the caliper. Next we are going to take off caliper bracket, I mean this thing right here, by taking off 17 millimeters screw here and on the bottom. So let's go to work. Now we can just unscrew this bolt, 14 millimeter wrench, now we're going to unscrew bolt right here that is holding that line with 12 millimeter wrench. Now that we are unscrewing this bolt, some fluid may fall out. That's why we have a tap over here. And now we have our caliper. We're going to replace all these seals, all these rubber seals, the piston itself, and glass bead it and paint it. Paint it just to not corrode as much. Now let's disassemble this tool. First thing I would like to take off is this bleeder. So to unscrew it, it's best to clean it off, put some brake fluid over here just to lubricate it, do a little tap of the hammer and just wish luck. just compare these two. When we took out our seal, our piston seal, this seal just prevents dirt going into that seal over here. That seal is holding your brake fluid. This seal is the most important. Just to glass bead it, I will use old bleeder as stopper, old piston as second stopper right here, and I will find a screw just to put it here, just for everything not to fall, our sand not to fall into that hole. It would be great if the screw is clean. And now we're going to glass bead our caliper. So the sand that I was using is gone. I couldn't even sand the whole caliper, just a little of it, as you see here. So I took a wire brush on the grinder, just take off the loose rust of the calipers and our brake pad brackets, and now I'm going to take some cleaner just to take off all grease, all things from it, and I just use compressed air just to clean it, repaint it, and I'm going to put them together. Good shape for a few minutes, and
Was it real or just pretend? Tell me why you wanna end. Was he really just a friend? No sign of you at all. Just pictures on these walls.
The can is empty now, so I can't even put more paint even if I wanted. But look at the result. This will look just amazing on the car. But first we need to disassemble these pistons, this rubber, and put it back together like it should be.
Tell me why you wanna end. Was he really just a friend? Cause it's plain in my head, every word that you said, I ain't worked it out yet. So why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? If there was any sign that our love was in decline, I would have begged you not to go. I would have given even more. My heart is breaking.
Now that the inside is clean, we need to put main seal. And now the worst part of it all, I must to put my cylinder with a seal on, and to be honest I don't know how to do this.
Was it real or just pretend? Why do you wanna?
button and torque it after the car is lowered on the ground. So, you just watched a video about painting a brake caliper. I know this wasn't glass beaded. So, you just watched video of me painting a brake calipers. I know I didn't glass beaded calipers like I said I would, and also the paint is not kurde. So you just watched video of me braiding Fajnie, bo później są takie piki, ja potem znajduję tam, gdzie uciąć. So, you just watched a video of me painting my brake calipers. The paint didn't stay on calipers until now. I will include picture of it here, and yeah, I didn't glass bead it, so the surface of a caliper wasn't properly prepared for the paint. Today is 2020. I did it in 2018, I believe, in May. So I will just need to do it again. So be prepared for another video of this. But today, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If no, give it a thumbs down. If you like content like this, consider subscribing and have a nice day.